Well, this is the second phase of polling in Jammu and Kashmir, which is currently underway. And with the voting that is taking place in 26 assembly seats, this phase that includes 15 constituencies in the Kashmir division, 11 in Jammu, and the very encouraging and impressive figures of the voter turnout that was reported in the first phase that went over 60%. Now, what is being said at around latest voter turnout that has been recorded till 11 a.m., it's around 24% in the second phase that covers politically sensitive regions as well. That includes the border districts of Rajouri, Poonch and Riyasi, and the hill areas of Srinagar, Ganderbal and Budgaon as well. As we speak, a total of over 25.7 lakh voters that are deciding the fate of 239 candidates, including some of the biggest names like the National Conference leader and former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who is fighting when it comes to his family bastion of Ganderbal and also in Budgaon. Two seats that he's fighting, as Ganderbal is a prestige battle for Omar Abdullah as a seat that has been held by nearly 3 generations of the Abdullah family. Let's also talk about when it comes to the other leaders, because he's pitted against the PDP State Secretary Bashir Ahmed Mir, jail cleric and independent Sarjan Barkati, as well. As far as Jammu and Kashmir BJP Chief Ravinder Raina is also one of the major candidates who is contesting from Nowshera. Let's also talk about when it comes to lead-line contest that has been making as far as the main contest that has been taking place on your screens. We are looking at Omar Abdullah of the National Conference versus Bashir Ahmed Mir of the PDP, Nowshera's Ravinder Raina, who's contesting from the side of the BJP, versus Haq Nawaz from the PDP. Poonch Haveli, that's another constituency that we talk about. Ejaz Ahmed Jan from the NC is pitted against Shamim Ahmed of the PDP. We are looking at multiple when it comes to the contest. As far as the second seat that Omar Abdullah is contesting from is from Budgaon, and he is fighting this seat against Muntazir Mehndi of the PDP. Let's talk about the other seat, which is the Zadibal seat. That is Tanveer Sadiq of the NC, and he is contesting against Sheikh Gohar Ali from the PDP. So let's in the meantime talk about the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir's Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, because right when the voting started today, he came out and he made a very interesting statement. He hit out on 2 issues. One, he made a critical remark against his own ally, which is the Congress, and Rahul Gandhi, whom he is accusing of campaigning too much in Kashmir and not focusing enough on Jammu. As well, he has chided Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, saying that they could do much better when it comes to election campaign.
I hope that after Rahul is done campaigning in 1 or 2 seats in Kashmir, he focuses in Jammu. Ultimately, what the Congress does in Kashmir is not that important. What the Congress does in Jammu is important. And unfortunately, Congress hasn't done as much in the plains of Jammu as we would expect them to do. The lion's share of the seats that the alliance gave in Jammu was to the Congress party. Yet the Congress's campaign in Jammu is yet to begin, and there are only 5 days of campaigning. So I hope that after Rahul is done campaigning on this 1 seat in the valley, the Congress focuses all its attention in the plains of Jammu.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free to think big and achieve bigger. Towards a future made perfect and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.